careful. Hold on, Mommy.
You got it?
Yeah. 1.
Don't, no. Don't do that.
Okay. Oh, no. Okay.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do, no.
He go inside.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, no.
Don't do that! You're gonna break it. I mean, break its head. You're gonna...
Stick out.
Hold it from its head! You got it. You're not gonna drop it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Come on, Tato. Go, and then Tato. Oh. Take the other Tato.